Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video it is going to be a product review as well as a comparison between two products. So I hope you all are excited to know what the product is. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, thanks a lot, and hit that like button if you like my videos. And that's it. So without any further delay, let's get started. I know you all love wearing makeup, and I do love wearing makeup, but there are being like pros and cons of wearing makeup. So wearing makeup is not alone important. Removing your makeup from your face after you're done is also quite an important. So I think by now you must have got to know what product I'm going to talk about. Yes, it is going to be the makeup remover, and it's my all-time favorite Garnier Micellar Water. Yes, here it is. This is my top favorite micellar water to remove my makeup off every day, and I'm going to share the review of this product as well as another variant from this Garnier micellar water. This is the oil infused micellar water, especially for the waterproof makeup, and this is a standard micellar water to remove your makeup on your everyday basis. And as well as I'm going to share in how many ways you can use this micellar water in your daily routine. So if you want to know what tricks and tips to use this micellar water in your daily basis, I'm going to share it in this video. So please do take it until the end of this video to watch it. So let's get to know the product first. So let's talk about the standard micellar water first. This is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water for sensitive skin, and this one removes makeup plus cleanses and soothes. So this is dermatologically tested, ophthalmologically tested, so you can use it on your face, eyes and lips too. This has 400 ml of product and it retails for $349. They do have two sizes. I think the other one is 125 ml retails for $179, and this is a 400 ml retails for $350. So I always prefer to use the bigger packaging so that I don't run out of it all the time. So yes. On to the next product, that is a Garnier oil infused cleansing micellar water, and this one is again for all skin type. This is particularly to remove the waterproof makeup. Again, this one has 400 ml of water and it retails for $399. So this can be used 200 times actually, and this one has like 3 years of shelf life, and as well as a standard micellar water too. And when you're using this product, you're supposed to shake this well and then use it. Yes, the oil infused in this product is argan oil. So this is a new technology of this infusing micellar water into argan oil to remove your tough and high coverage long lasting makeup. So before taking you to my review, I want you to know what the Garnier claims about this product, and let's see what it has to tell us. So this has actually clearly mentioned that this one is also for the sensitive skin. Why? Because they don't have fragrance. They are not all alcohol infused products, so they don't have fragrance as well as alcohol. So this can actually reduce the allergic category people. So sensitive people can surely use the micellar water to cleanse your face. So all-in-one micellar cleansing water that gently removes makeup and purifies your skin in just one swipe, and it is enriched with micelles. It captures and lifts away the residue just like magnet. No harsh rubbing needed. Suitable for all skin types including sensitive, and it has non-sticky, non-oily, no added fragrance and no alcohol. So this is the best of ever claim in a micellar water, which we would love to have. So as of the claim, yes, it does remove the makeup in just one swipe, and the price point of the product is absolutely super good. I love it because they are in two sizes and it can be affordable to anyone out there to remove their makeup on the everyday basis. And when it comes to the next product, that is a Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, let's check out what the claims are. This is the first oil infused micellar cleansing water for removing makeup, even waterproof yet surprisingly gentle on your skin. For the first time, Garnier combined its micellar technology with nourishing argan oil with it, and the micelles capture and lifts away the residue just like magnet, while the oils dissolves the traces of makeup and nourishes your skin. So this is our refreshing formula in a non-greasy, non-sticky, suitable for all skin types, and the skin is perfectly clean, nourished and comfortable. So this is what we expect from a micellar water to remove your makeup off. So I'm ready to remove my makeup off, and I'm ready with the micellar water. So I do have two variants. This is the micellar oil infused cleansing water, and this is my all-time favorite Garnier micellar cleansing water. So I'm going to take off this left side makeup with oil infused micellar water, and the right side with only micellar water. So let's start off with normal micellar water. This is the pink one, and yes. Okay guys, can you see this? Okay, let's get to the oil infused side. So there was no much pressure, I just removed it with one swipe and it is just clean and clear. Let's go on to this oil infused one. Let me shake this up first so that the oil gets, evenly spread into the micellar water, and then take this up on your cotton pad. Yeah, ready to go. So if you could find out anything from this is the right side one, and this is the left side one. I could not find any difference here. Okay, let's come to the texture here, and yeah, here the side I feel a little moisturized, like it's smooth, and like this side it's a bit of drying, and apart from that I don't feel any other difference. The way it removed the makeup was actually the same, and the oil infused one, it was nothing like it removed the makeup just very quickly. I had to give the same pressure which I gave to the side of the face, and the same thing happened here. But my favorite would always be the normal micellar cleansing water, which is so hassle free. This can be used only to wipe your makeup off, maybe at the end of the day, and if you really love a little bit, if you're on the dry skin type, you need a little hydrated polishing kind of makeup removal, then surely you must try out this Garnier oil based micellar water, my oil infused micellar water. If you are working on makeup and then you have a lot of corrections to be done, and do a lot of lip swatches and on your hands, on your lips, and then this is the must buy in your vanity. I always prefer the micellar normal Garnier's micellar cleansing water as my top favorite, though I fall into the dry skin category. I love this, so I would surely buy this again, and this would be the repetitive product in my vanity. So most of all, you have to get to know there are like many types of makeup removers in today's market. So let's narrow down on what are the types of makeup removers and what is better for which kind of skin types, and or maybe it can be hassle free or haste to use for you. That's how it really works. So the first category is the makeup remover wipes, and that comes in a pack of like 10s and 20s. You can easily carry it in your handbag, and whenever you're out there you can just easily remove your makeup off. So that's the type 1. And the second type is the micellar water or the toners, which comes in a spray bottle or a dropper, where you can just spray it on your face and just remove your makeup easily and at hassle free. So the third category is the liquid makeup removers. That is, two types of liquids are used. One is the kind of heavier and the other one is the lighter liquid, which is infused together to remove your makeup. This is the liquid makeup removers. And the fourth category is the cleansing creams or the balms. So cleansing cream or the balm is something like a cream based formula, which actually when it's applied on your skin, it transforms into oil, it melts down the makeup and removes your makeup. So this is the fourth category. And the fifth category of makeup remover is something which is a natural oil. So you can always see, you have always seen that we use almond oil, olive oil and coconut oil to remove your makeup down. So these are the types of makeup removers available and can be used for your different needs as you would love it. But always I prefer to micellar water because it is very hassle free and simple to use it on the go, on the run. So I personally feel that this really removes and cleanses your face off and removes the makeup off your skin really well than any other makeup removers. First, So next I'm going to share what are the different ways to use this micellar water in your day-to-day routine. So the first thing is that you can actually cleanse your face using this micellar water. Suppose you don't have a soap and water, you're out somewhere and you really want a cleansed face for anything else getting ready or anything you want your refreshed skin, then surely you can take this in your handbag or a spray bottle, just spray it on your face, then use a tissue or a cotton pad to just wipe off your face, then you're good to go. So this is the first use of using a micellar water. The next one is, as usual, you all know it, to remove your makeup. And the third one is very important for me. I have always felt the importance of micellar water in correcting my makeup. So like whenever my winged liner goes wrong, I use micellar water to correct it in a flat brush or maybe a cotton bud. And when I switch looks from one to other, the transitions, and then I have to switch on and off with a lot of lipsticks, so I use micellar water in just a swatch and get on to the next lipstick. So that one has even hand in hand for me every time I have to do a lot of makeup looks in my videos. So third one is, it can be used to correct your makeups. And the fourth one is, if you don't have a hand sanitizer or a water or a soap to wash your hand, you can surely use a little bit of micellar water. And the fourth one is, if you don't have a hand sanitizer or a water or a soap to wash your hand, you can surely use a little bit of micellar water to cleanse your hands as well and sanitize too. Though there is no alcohol present in it, it can actually cleanse your hand if you really have the fear of you have a dirty hands or something like that. Then the fifth one is that I always use a little bit of micellar water included into my shampoo and water to clean my or cleanse my brushes. Why? Because all the residues of makeup would surely cling on to your brushes. The micellar water surely removes all traces of makeup from your makeup brushes and give that very clean, super good and shiny makeup brushes. So that's how I use micellar water and everyday routine to make my life simpler and easier. And if you like my video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and like my videos up. And I do share a lot of makeup, skincare videos, and if you have been subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you signing off.